So I got a cool care package in the mail recently from the boys at Tacoma Lifestyle, and I want to do a quick install video for you guys in case you're wondering about how to get this set up. They sent me in the mail. It was really awesome. I got the Tacoma Lifestyle Sequential turn signals, and I got these in amber. They come in 3 options. You got smoked, blacked out, smoked out, and you got the amber. So I wanted to go with the amber. The guys were at Tacoma Lifestyles were cool, hooked it up with the amber. I think it's a good contrast with the black truck. One thing I really liked about these in regards to the packaging is the actual product itself. The light has a plastic, if you can see that, protector that goes all the way around. So that way it doesn't get damaged on the way to your house. And when you're doing an install, it doesn't get damaged either. And then after you install it, you go ahead and just rip it off. What comes in this package here is you got obviously both your driver's side and your passenger side light. You have a tool to pry off the back of your mirror there, and it comes with a flathead screwdriver. So let's get to it. So the first things first, which is we gotta pry this bad boy off. So first time doing it. What I've been told is that this just comes off if you give it a little pressure, start pulling it, but at the same time you kind of want to keep some forward pressure to keep the light in place so it actually pops out. I'm sure there was a safer way to do that, but you know, we good, all right? Clips ain't broken. That's all that matters. And I got expel all over this housing right here, so it's not actually damaging the paint. Whatever. Okay, so I went ahead and removed the cap to my driver's side mirror, and I just want to give you a in-depth look of what it looks like on the inside. After you remove the cap, you got 2 screws to remove, one here, one here. After you remove those screws, you're gonna come back here, and you have a little clip just right there. You're gonna pinch these 2 like forks together, if you will, and you're gonna be able to push that clip out. After you remove that, the 2 screws and that push that pin out, that clip, this is gonna be a little loose. It's gonna be loose enough for you to go ahead and wiggle the light out. And at the same time, you're gonna be able to take this pink and white wire and unplug it, and obviously kind of take it back out of this area here. Okay, so stay tuned, and we're gonna do it. Shit, we out here doing it. We're gonna loosen up the 2 bolts. What you're gonna use is the Phillips screwdriver, okay? You got a Phillips and a Flathead. Use a Phillips. This came with the lights. All right, so let's get it. Okay, we good. All right. Bad boy's now plugged in. Make sure it's work. Obviously, pink to red, red to pink, white to black, so on and so forth, okay? And come on over here now. There we go. Now, what you're gonna do is you're gonna remove that plastic cover that's on the light. Don't need that. Slide the light back into place. Now that you got the light back in, clips back in, wires plugged in, it's time for the bolts. Screws, all right? Screws. Second screw. Shit's tight. Like that wop. Ooh. So went ahead, put the cap back on. That's it.